Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm so excited to be back in Orlando. My friend Natalie came from Sarasota to visit me for a couple days. So I installed the Disney My Experience app back in my phone. I haven't used it in a while because I haven't been going there. I've been going to Universal Studios. And I searched for a breakfast, and how incredibly psyched was I to see the California Grill pop up for a breakfast. Apparently the Wave restaurant is under construction. That's kind of like their moderate type place. So they're making breakfast up at the fancy California Grill. I was so excited. We immediately got dressed and ran over. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer Sparks, and I do resort tours, mostly in Orlando, but I'm all over the place. And today we are going to the Contemporary Hotel. I am so excited. We were early, so we're taking a little walk through the gift shop. Natalie had never been here before, so she was excited to check out all the merch. When you get to the California Grill, I believe it's the 4th floor. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I know somebody knows the answer to this. And you go to the podium, you say, hey, we're here. And then they take your phone number, and then they text you when your table is ready. They even have something now where you could do a mobile check-in. You don't even have to go to the podium. You get on an express elevator that takes you here. And I'm going to be quiet now so you can hear how extremely excited we were to be here and to see what kind of table we got. See, it was worth checking in early. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. I love it. Thank you. Wonderful. Wow. Thank you. I appreciate it. Wow. Not quite sure if it's because we checked in early that we got the window seat, or if that's just the way it was because there was only 2 of us. But we were so excited. You know, it was just really great view. I've been to the California Grill at night. The only problem with nighttime dining is, it's just tough to make a reservation and run around and have to get there on time. So I prefer the morning breakfast. Like pretty much all Disney restaurants, they have the contactless menus now. You scan your phone, you take a picture, and this menu comes up on your phone. So it was hard to take a picture of the menu, so I did a couple screenshots. We both got omelets. Natalie's a vegetarian, so she got a veggie omelette, and I got a Western omelet, which had ham and peppers and onions. I mean, it wasn't the best food I've ever had, but it was good. Okay, now we're going to take a little walk outside on their little walkway here. People go out here to see fireworks and stuff. Here's me and Natalie. And she took a better picture where we actually got Disney World in the background. My selfies suck. I just am so bad at them. So anyway, I really wanted to take a video of this. And now I'm going to take you guys on a little monorail ride. We're going to go to the Grand Floridian, and we're going to go past the Poly. The Polynesian now is in construction, so hang on if you want to see that, because we're going to go by it, and you can just get to see what they're doing over there. Of construction, Contemporary is also going through a lot of construction. The whole inside there, I was like, what the heck's going on? Hey, but I guess you gotta remodel sometime, right? I guess it's a good time to remodel. This is very early September, before Labor Day. It really wasn't busy. There was I guess everyone's going back to school. There's a pandemic, people are canceling their trips, so I guess it's a good time to remodel. So I'm going to take you on a little spin around the lake, the Bay Lake, I think this is called over here. I should know this. I've been coming here since I was a little kid, since Disney's opened. First stop you would stop at after the Contemporary is the Ticket and Transportation Center. That is where you park when you want to go to the Magic Kingdom. You don't go to the Magic Kingdom and park there. You park in this whole other world. And then you take a monorail or a boat to Magic Kingdom. This right here, this is the Polynesian. So look up ahead. We're going to see the construction that's going on, and hopefully it won't take too long, because right now you can't stop at the Polynesian. I just always assume everybody knows the hotels that are on the monorail line, but if you don't, it's the Contemporary, the Polynesian, and the Grand Floridian are all on the monorail that will take you to the Magic Kingdom. This has got to stink if you're staying there, but I guess, you know, you could walk over to the Ticket and Transportation Center. It's really not a far walk. Or I'm sure there's buses that will take you to the Magic Kingdom or wherever. But on a good note, like, we did walk there from the Grand Floridian, and there was hardly anybody there. I mean, I had never, ever seen it like that, where there was so few people there. So if you're like, want the place to yourself, you know, you're not going to be getting all the people like that are going to be getting off the monorail to see the Polynesian. This right here, this is the Grand Floridian. This place is just so gorgeous. It's like a 1920s type of theme. Has a grand atrium. Usually there's like some sort of band playing or a pianist. It's just really cool. If you're ever visiting Orlando in the Christmas time, you must go see this. It's a must-do. The Christmas trees, and they have a big gingerbread house. I mean, they're just amazing. This is the Grand Atrium right here. I'm just showing you little clips of future videos I'm going to be making this week of my little stays at the Grand Floridian and the Polynesian. I had dined here. We went to the Grand Floridian Cafe, and we also went to the Enchanted Rose. That's the new Beauty and the Beast bar. Very, very cool place. That's a little picture of it right there. So if you want to see more of that, look out for my future videos. Hopefully I'll get those out this week. Also on this very hot day, we took a walk over to the Polynesian. Like I said before, we couldn't stop on the monorail. So we're like, hey, we're this close. Let's go take a walk over. See if there's any bars open or anything. There really wasn't. There was a pool bar open that we actually went to. You see more of that in the video that I'm going to make of the Polynesian coming up. Polynesian is the home of the Dole Whip that everybody goes crazy for. You could get it, you know, plain, or you could get it with rum added to it. And there's also Ohana. That is really one of the most popular dinner restaurants. And I believe they serve breakfast at the moment now too. So here we are. We're like, we should go back and go on the pool. We're like, no, let's get on a boat. So here we are going on a boat. We're going to a boat that goes to Magic Kingdom, and then we got on another boat, and now we're at Wilderness Lodge. That too, I will be having another video of. This is Geysers Point, where we went and had a beer and overlooked the lake over here. It was beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of our Magic Kingdom resorts. It was great having you with me. If you like this, please subscribe and look out for my new videos coming up. Thank you. Safe travels to you.